A lot of people have asked me how I am able to run my company's whole content system that covers many content categories and many channels as a team with just two full-time people while also handling other tasks such as coding. My secret is that I leverage AI for my company's content system. I will detect all of the repetitive content streams. For each repetitive content process like that, I will turn it into an AI multi-agent workflow using MyPow.io so that I can use that AI workflow over and over again for different sets of inputs to easily scale the production of the content. Using AI for production of content doesn't mean we are compromising content quality. In fact, I have trained all these multi-agent workflows to understand exactly my unique requirements, the context of MyPow, as well as the writing style that I want so that the output is reliably excellent. The benefits here is that I almost never run out of content ideas and I don't have to rush for content deadlines at all. The time from idea to the final content is much faster too because once I have set up and trained that AI multi-agent workflow, I can use it over and over again without having to re-enter the prompt or edit too much. This extra time saved by this AI workflow actually helped me to have more mental space for higher level tasks such as brainstorming, planning, strategizing. And that actually in turn helped me to be able to come up with more creative ideas and strategies to execute. This system of AI workflows helped me to focus on more important things such as building a good product and helping my customers to get the most out of my product. In this video, let me show you 6 AI workflows I have used a lot at my company to help me manage our gigantic content system as a two-person team. But first, some context. My company, MyPal, is building a platform for business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers to build AI agents and multi-agent workflows to automate business processes. To help our customers get started with MyPal faster, we have prepared a vast library of AI multi-agent workflows templates that they can easily try it out and duplicate for further customization. We have a lot of ideas for AI workflow templates to maximize the return of the effort we have put into creating each of these template. What we often do is that we will turn the template into a blog post like this that provide a deeper dive into that specific use case. It covers the typical process of doing that task, the advantages of using AI, how AI multi-agent workflow can be leveraged for this task, a step-by-step guide to building this exact workflow on MyPal, as well as ideas for further customize the AI workflow and how to bring the AI workflow to work in your business. We use the same framework for all blog posts of this type. The only thing that is different is the actual use case that is being analyzed in the blog post. There's no way I would be able to produce hundreds of blog posts like this in a short time without the help of AI. So what I did is that I built this MyPal AI workflow how-to blog post generator, in which I will give the business use case, the target audience of this use case, the description of the AI workflow being used, and the link to try the AI workflow. And I have set this workflow up so that it will help me to write a stellar introduction, articulate the use case here, explain why AI for this use case, why multi-agent workflow for this use case, provide a step-by-step guide to build this AI workflow, provide ideas for further customize the AI workflow, as well as how to bring this AI workflow to work, and conclusion. On top of that, I also add a step for generating SEO keywords to accompany this blog post, as well as some metadata that would be used to save to our data CMS or blog posts too. With this AI workflow in place, every time I got a new AI workflow template, all I need to do is to provide all the inputs. Click start. And this AI workflow will execute the exact chain of steps to help me to prepare the full blog post for this use case, exactly the way I have trained it to. Besides the blog post, for each AI workflow template, I also create a short video like this to showcase the AI workflow in action. Now I have hired an external freelancer to edit this video, but I still need to prepare the copywriting, the script, the title, the text, the description, etc. So to save me time, what I did is that I built this AI workflow demo short video prep AI workflow in which provided an AI workflow description. It will generate hooks for the script, and I can select a hook based on what it will write the entire video script, generate the video title, as well as the video description for me. Let's try this AI workflow with a screenshot of an AI workflow that I want to make this video script about and the link to try. This AI workflow will first generate the hooks for the video script. I can select my favorite hook before it continue with writing the entire video script and generate video title, as well as an SEO optimized video description. Now I can use this AI workflow over and over again for different workflow templates to prepare the copywriting ready for my editor to make the videos. Another stream of content that we do at MyPal is our customer success stories page. This is another kind of content that is almost never ending, because as long as we are still in business and still get more customers, there are a lot of stories that we can feature on this page. We have a form that help collect our customers raw responses about how they have been using MyPal in their business already, to make sure these stories are ready to be published on our official website. I would need a compelling title, a compelling story based on all the raw facts provided by my customer, put it into a narrative that is attractive, easy to understand, and also helpful and informative to the readers. I would also need to generate all the SEO keywords necessary to accompany this post, as well as generate a structured data format to save to my own database so that the story can appear on my website too. There are a lot of customer stories in the pipeline for me to edit. So to make this process efficient, what I did is that I have built this MyPal customer success story generator, in which every time I got a new article to write, I will provide the raw responses from the customer regarding the background, product usage, customer code, and the media that accompany this post. Then this AI workflow will generate the story, generate the titles, also generate the SEO keywords, structured data to be saved to my database, as well as writing a Facebook post and LinkedIn post to help me post about the story on my social media channels. Let's try this out to see how it works. Let's provide all the necessary inputs here. Let's skip the customer profile picture for now and start. This AI workflow will first generate the customer success story content based on the facts provided in the customer's raw responses. Then suggest 10 titles that I can use for this story. Let's pick this one. And the AI workflow will continue with generate SEO keywords, the JSON data for saving to the database, and also writing the Facebook posts and LinkedIn posts that will help me promote this customer success story across social media platforms. With this AI workflow, instead of hours, I will just need a couple of minutes for each new customer success story submission. You can see that we have been producing a lot of blog posts on our website. It would be a waste if we don't repurpose that blog post into different kinds of content to promote across our channels too, to maximize the return on the investment we have made in writing the blog post. So I have built a repurposed blog post AI workflow that helped me with just that. Essentially, this AI workflow would take in the blog post content and return a LinkedIn post, Facebook post, X post, and Instagram caption that I can use to post on my post social media channels. Now, all of the AI agents for writing LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and Instagram posts here have already been trained on my pals, brand voice, and my own instructions. So they would be able to follow my instructions so that I don't have to edit the responses too much. And with this AI workflow, every time I got a new blog post to promote, I would just provide the content here and it will generate everything in one go, as you can see here. Very convenient. The same repurposing logic can be applicable to YouTube videos too. At MyPal, we often produce long form YouTube videos like this to share about MyPal use cases and any product tutorials. Now, to maximize the impact of the effort I have invested into making these YouTube videos, I have built this repurposed YouTube video workflow to help me turn any YouTube video I have into different kinds of content like this. Now, every time I upload a new YouTube video, I can simply paste in the link here and I will get a LinkedIn post, a Facebook post, a Twitter post, an Instagram caption, email, and even a blog post ready to be published across different channels. Another content channel that we also leverage at MyPal is email marketing. Every Friday, we often send out a weekly digest email with customer case studies, the product updates, resources, and tutorials to make the process more efficient. I have trained this AI multi-agent workflow to help me write the email content, suggest email subjects, as well as generate the HTML code for the email all in one go. This is an example of the weekly digest email we sent last week. Essentially, I have provided all of the inputs here. Then this AI workflow helped me write the email content in the format and in the writing style I want, such as some email subjects that I can pick, as well as generate the HTML code for email here. That's how I have been leveraging AI multi-agent workflows to help me manage the gigantic content system at my company, MyPal. You can also build your own system of AI multi-agent workflows for your own use cases as well. If you are new to AI agents and multi-agent workflows, don't worry. I will leave a link to a quick overview video to help you get started with these concepts. If you're ready to tinker around more, I will leave the link to MyPal's AI workflow template gallery for you to try them out, and feel free to duplicate these AI workflows for further customization.